Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial on Microsoft Outlook. So in my last tutorial, I showed you how to create and split two windows in Microsoft Outlook. So I have my email window on the right-hand side. On my left-hand side, I have my calendar. But let's say we want to manage our week and we want to schedule some things on our calendar and we want to do it from the emails we received. Well, what I'm going to do is come over here and click on this email, email test A. I'm going to simply click on it and hold, and I'm going to drag it over onto my calendar. I'm going to pick an approximate date and time, let's say Wednesday at 12 o'clock, and I'm going to drop that right on the calendar. So because I dropped it at Wednesday at 12 o'clock, it opened up my scheduling tool so that I can now come in and schedule this for that particular day. Now, I could change the time, I could change the duration, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Close. And when I do that, I want you to observe right here, it says Test A. That's from this email. Let's do another one. I'm going to take Test B. Let's put it on Friday at 2 p.m. I'm going to release after dragging it there. I'm going to click Save and Close, and there it is. Now, if I want to make these times different, I can just click on the item. I can drag down the bottom drag bar or square and make it a longer item. But more important than that is if I come to these emails, A and B, the two that I tested and put in the calendar, and delete them, you might say, well, where's all the information that was part of that email? Well, when Wednesday comes along, if I simply double click on this, it's going to open up and all the information from the email. Granted, there wasn't a lot in this email. I just used it as a quick sample, but all the content that was in that email, in this case, very simple, but you might have a long, complex email. I deleted the email, and actually it's in the deleted items folder. I could go find it if I needed to. But having said that, all the details of the emails you send will be right there. So what this allows you to do is to clean up your email by dragging things to your calendar very quickly and effectively. And then you can delete the emails so you clean it up. And now you're scheduling time in your week. And that's what I really like about it. One last thing I want to show you. Let's say that there was something you forgot. Let's say maybe you have a class on Thursday, say at 2 o'clock. Well, if I just click on Thursday at 2 o'clock, drag down, I've selected an hour. What I can now do is just simply type in class, training, and I can easily, quickly put something on my calendar that way. So there's two ways you could do it. You could just drag something from your email, or you could simply click on your calendar, select the time range, and then type something in right over it. You don't have to click on anything. You just start typing once you've selected the time range and the day you want to schedule something for. So working with the calendar is actually pretty easy. Okay, my friends, thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.